Hey guys, I'm going to be giving you guys a little bike check for you. First things first, let's go to the handlebars. The handlebars are stock Saipient. Okay. The grips are Fit Bike repeaters. Same with the bar ends. Stem is stock red. The rim is stock red Saipient. Okay, I got a dice. That's it. And the tire is not the same. It's actually a mongoose tire because I sort of like the pressure. It's 20 by 235 and it's 35 to 65 psi. So next, moving on to the frame. The frame is a stock Saipient. It's very cool. I like it. It's fairly light. I mean, it's 24 pounds. Pretty light. The pedals are animal transparent pedals. I got them from Stephen Hamilton, Animal Company. The sprocket is red, stock Saipient. And the cranks are stock also, 3-piece to be specific. And the wheel, moving on, the back top is stock Saipient. And the rim is stock Saipient black. And the wheel is Kenda Contact. Now, I got this a while back, and the front one would have been red too, but I popped it. Like, I tore out the part. Well, moving on, the seat. That's an S&M plastic seat. It rides like a charm. I'll just even ride it with you a little bit. It rides perfect. And it's especially fun to go to the skate park with it. It's actually a very good, trusting bike. And I got a lot of how-to videos on. Check it out. I mean, they're good. Good bike. Alright, see you guys later. This is BMX Rated 1 and bye.